EOS has skyrocketed recently after receiving a strong buy signal here, as well as price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion low. This was a great call, and it's not just EOS. Check out the massive amount of green in the crypto market. Part of this crazy uptrend was caused by a short squeeze here, so we're going to go into some details of what that looks like. And overall, I'm going to be talking about where I see EOS heading next. And with that, let's jump into the video. Big day today here at Trade Confident. We have yet another 4% trade win on Avalanche. This puts us at 37 wins, 0 losses here. And on top of that, for our members, we have members only content here, a new crypto forecast video talking about the trillions of dollars about to flood into Bitcoin. We'll give you evidence and where we think Bitcoin could be going in the short term and why I think exiting some Bitcoin right now could be a good idea. This is members only content, and if you want to get access to our trades as well, you can grab it all with our membership at the links in the description. More on that later, but for now, let's dive into the charts. Thanks for joining me today at the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll all the way down here to EOS, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the emotional index. Now, after this pump, we've only pushed into neutral territory. Most often, this becomes sort of the transition period where uptrends begin to slow down. So what I'm seeing here is a very likely continued move up, but only for a short while until this metric pushes into excited. After that, that's when I'm expecting the next move down, just as we saw right here. Very, very reliable here, but for now, let's take a look at the EOS volatility breakout detector. We are still pretty much in low volatility. When there's low volatility, we are seeing impulse moves in the market. This is very, very consistent. We saw low volatility right here, and what happened? Boom, crazy impulse move to the downside. Next up is going to be the EOS Whales Smart Money metric. We're seeing a little bit of short trade sentiment here, which means whales could be pushing to the downside, but it's not until we see a move to around -600 to -800 here that we're really looking for moves down. We're pretty close here, not quite, and what that means is we still have a little bit of time before we see the drop. Next up, let's take a look at the EOS major support and resistance levels. We have no structure support at this point on this page. I'll have to show you that on the live charts, but essentially it's just going to be right about here. As far as structure resistance goes, though, I'm looking at 81.7 cents right here. From there, we got to take a look at the EOS long versus short trades chart. We see short trades diminishing in the market. This is very bullish, and as long as this continues, especially if long trades come in to replace them, we will see moves upward in the market. So we got to pay attention to this one. Super important. And last but not least, it's the EOSIO daily trade scanner. We got a strong buy signal that signaled this move up. At the same time, we pretty much next candle actually got a sell signal. Typically, this will result after moves up, but what we're seeing here, and you'll see on the live charts, is actually a short squeeze. There's a lot of people putting short trades at this point. It was a safe bet for many, many people to see the price of EOS go down. Not surprising there, but because of the major push in Bitcoin, we're seeing EOS rise as well. This caused a short squeeze at this sell signal, causing the price to jump up even further. Now, if you're an EOS trader or a cryptocurrency trader in general, these metrics are extremely important. They are crucial for your trading success. And it's not just the metrics. You're going to want to take a look at our trade setups. We just got our 37th win, 0 losses here with 5 trades pending. As the market drops, again, we will be paying attention for more trade wins. On top of that, you'll also get access to our members only future forecast videos. These are imperative that you pay attention to. You need to be watching these videos if you want to succeed as a crypto trader. If you want to get access to all this and more, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Just go ahead and click subscribe up here. Fill in your information, and personally, I recommend the full access if you want every single one of those benefits I just talked about. It's $59 a month, and you get metrics across all 20 coins on our website, all scalping trade calls, morning brew overviews, future forecasts, and many more benefits. Go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at EOSIO on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. Same indicators every single day, and they are crushing it. Right here, we're seeing that we've got a strong buy signal on this candle as the price moved up. Great call as we approach structure resistance at 81.92 cents. Very, very happy with how this played out, and we got a sell signal right at this level where we saw a short squeeze which pushed EOS up like crazy. As the price rises, we are seeing trend exhaustion heading into its top red section. We see price versus while money flow heading up as well. I told you I do expect a little bit more of a move up, and again, it's just to that structure resistance at 81.92 cents. And after that, if we get a sell signal, all 3 of these will combine to be almost certain of a move down. From there, we'll have to look at structure support right about here, and after that, full on structure support at 60.12 cents. This is what I'm looking at for EOS. EOS over the next week. I'll check back in likely next week, if not the week after that, for EOS. Now, if you want to see day to day or even hour to hour, you can even go down to the 1 hour time frame here. If you want to see what EOS is doing at any given point for yourself, I'll do my best to cover this, but there will be days I won't be able to talk about it. You're going to want to get all 3 of these indicators. And just as a heads up, we have an offer going right now, all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off right now. You don't want to miss out. If you want to snag the indicators, you can find them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our bundle pack page where you can get 9 of the Trade Confident indicators, including the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow. Just go ahead and click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. With that, again, we're just waiting for price versus while money flow to top out, trend exhaustion to top out as the price approaches structure resistance at 81.92 cents. And from there, when we get all 3 of these signals, we're likely to see the next move back down to structure support at 60.12 cents. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.